Alrighty, so I'm just about to get an order in for Kris Clicks, and they do accept cryptocurrency of Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So you can go take advantage of that via Coinbase. Yes, so I'm gonna pay with my debit card. No Bitcoin, no cryptocurrency today. I'm gonna get $5. I'm paying $5.95 for about 1,000 credits, and each credit counts for one visitor to your website. So I'm just gonna pay with debit and credit. Let me get my card ready. Alrighty, it's processing the order. We're processing, and alright, so I'm gonna use this as my banner right here. Just gonna I just added a quick little sentence here. My website, everything is pretty much fairly simple here. Hit create ad, and I'll go down here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disable this one, enable this one. Yes. So you can even check the visitor history. Hopefully these aren't like bots, or hopefully these are like human actual real people. So I'll let you guys know how many leads that I get. I do expect to get at least some leads, some opt-ins. So I'll let you guys know. They even give out the IP address and locations. I don't know why they do that, but you know, that's cool. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm just buying some cheap traffic. If you don't have much to work with, you can just start where you can. We gotta get it out the mud. You know what I'm saying? So just take your time. Don't just take your time on, and just find a budget. Just find a budget. Just find a starting point and stick to that budget and be committed. No matter the results. So let's say I get no opt-ins, just keep trying to find ways to get people to your capture page. Whether that be any way you can, paid, free, creating content, any way you can, in just any way possible. Just try to gain lead generation. So thanks for watching, guys. My name is Devontae. See you in the next video.